In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your videos on Blogger. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, knowing how to effectively manage your video content can significantly enhance your blog's effectiveness and visual appeal. Let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your Blogger account. Make sure you have your credentials handy, as you'll need your email and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with a list of your blogs. Choose the blog that you want to work on. It's important to select the correct blog, especially if you manage multiple blogs, to ensure that your content is going where you want it to. Next, navigate to the Posts section. This is where all your content lives, ready for you to edit or manage at any time. Look through your posts and click on the one that contains the video you want to manage. It might take a moment to locate, particularly if your blog is content-rich, so take your time. Once you've opened your post in the editor, direct your attention to the video within the post. Click on the video and it will highlight to show it's selected. This is your cue to manage it using the available options. One of the key functionalities you can control is the alignment of the video. Depending on the layout and design of your blog, you might want to change how the video is aligned within the post. Consider the visual flow and reader experience when making this decision. It's often best to align it in the center for a more balanced look, but feel free to experiment and see what works best for you. Another aspect you can adjust is the size of the video. You may want to resize it to better fit the overall layout of your blog post. Typically, a larger video can be more engaging for viewers, but it's crucial not to dominate the whole post, so it's about finding the right balance that complements your content. Captions can also significantly enhance the accessibility and understanding of your video. Adding or editing the caption is straightforward. Ensure that the caption is clear, concise, and provides meaningful context to the video, enhancing the reader's experience. After making all your changes, remember to click Update or Publish to save your edits. If you're simply making changes to an existing post, Update will suffice. However, if it's new content you're putting out, you'll want to hit Publish to make it live for your audience. With these steps, you now have the tools to manage your videos effectively on Blogger. It's all about making your content more engaging and accessible for your audience. Thank you for watching, and happy blogging!